Welcome to Tales from the Malware Lab, powered by GREYCORTEX. In our first episode, we're going to take a look at EternalRox. This is an interesting malware for a couple of reasons. It works just like the WannaCry ransomware, but contains 7 of the NSA hacking exploits released by shadow brokers. WannaCry, as you may remember, contains only 2. So EternalRox is built using the EternalBlue exploit, just like WannaCry. EternalRox is also a little bit interesting because after it was discovered by a Croatian malware researcher and publicized, its creator disabled it, sort of. So there's no telling how many machines might have been exploited. This is what EternalRox looks like in your network. EternalRox spreads via SMB ports exposed online. It uses SMB reconnaissance tools to scan for open ports on the public internet. If those ports are found, then one of 4 SMB exploit tools, which target different vulnerabilities in the SMB file sharing protocol, are used to get inside the network. Once inside, EternalRox downloads the Tor browser, which supposedly allows you to browse the web anonymously and access sites hosted on the dark web, which cannot be accessed from normal web browsers. This Tor download is the first sign of a problem. Here you can also see that the malware is contacting external DNS servers. You can see the Tor download here. Once dependencies are downloaded, they hide in a Microsoft Updates folder on the local drive. Tor connects to a command and control server on the dark web, and it sets up a task to run after a gap of 24 hours. After this delay, the command and control server responds and an archive containing the 7 SMB exploits are downloaded. Here's the task host activity. Now, you can see the file which is downloaded is here. In case you can't recognize it, it's called Shadow Brokers. We didn't change the name. That's exactly how it came from the command and control server. After this, the malware scans the internet for open SMB ports in order to spread the infection to other organizations. In this case, it attacked close to 900,000 IP addresses in the 20 hours where we left it to run. As a network administrator, the first sign of the problem is going to be Tor activity. Second, any port sweep, especially one of this size, is a clear indicator of a problem in the network. Luckily, we're able to see both of those events and investigate further in order to keep the network protected. Remember, even if the malware is deactivated, phase 1 is still active, so it means that there still may be infections continuing across the network. You can use network traffic analysis to determine whether or not your network has been infected and take action to protect it. This has been the first episode of Tales from the Malware Lab, powered by GREYCORTEX. Tune in next time when we explore Britney Spears.